Moving on to USD Swiss, we can see on the daily time frame that we've had our break of structure towards the downside, and this is currently the swing range that we're trading within. This high did not close above this high here, and therefore it is not a valid break of structure, more a liquidation. We've now also seen this internal break of structure towards the upside. We've got this demand zone in control. Everything suggests higher prices. However, what we would need, we are quite overextended. What we would need is some liquidity, which would be one of these 2 points that could then cause that next move in towards the upside. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, the most recent break of structure is over here. Swing low, swing high. We've got that point of liquidity or this point of liquidity where that could be the next leg in towards the upside. What I'd be looking for is a structure shift after taking it out, and then we can see how price will react. Moving on to USD Yen, we can see on the 4-hour we've had our break of structure. We are trading at 161.728 at the time of recording. We're high. Well, after the break of structure, I am anticipating that intervention. USD Yen's just not a pair I'm actively trading at the moment. Finally, moving on to USDCAD, we can see that we had an original break of structure towards the downside, but we've now had a break of structure towards the upside. So this is currently the swing range that we're trading within, and we are very overextended in towards the upside, and I expect the pullback to start very soon. Where to maybe one of these points of liquidity, but just bear it in mind that if we get towards the 50%, we could just see the bullish momentum return and start seeing that higher price again. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, the most recent break of structure is there. This is my low, this is my high. We've got points of liquidity here. If we see that get taken, see that structure shift, we could start looking for those long positions, but I do prefer that deeper pullback in line with the daily time frame before looking for those higher prices.